Heroes opened in October 2014. We just felt that Boat Quay was lacking in the live music area, so this premises became available about mid-October, and yeah, we took it over and never looked back.
So Heroes offers 6 nights of live entertainment a week from Mondays to Saturday, ranging from a 2-piece to a 5 to 6-piece outfits. They carry different musical styles from pop, blues, all the way to modern rock.
Music's been very important all my life. It was important to my parents, so playing their LPs when I was probably 6 years old. Ever since then, music's been super important to me, and so having a live music place like Heroes is pretty special. Our sound system is almost a decade old, and we always wanted to give our talented musicians the best platform to perform on, and our guests the highest quality sound experience we can.
So the immediate reaction that I got from the BTX series is how much clarity I get from the speakers, and this translates really well from the bands and to the customer experience.
Okay, let's start with the looks. The BTX system is super sexy. From the sleek BTX A6s to the monumental BTX B28s. This combination has given us an amazing clarity, and our JBL A16s deliver a clean sound. Overall, we could not be happier with our new sound system.
The sonic difference is definitely night and day, and I'm pretty sure that the bands will be excited as well.